Okay, we're down to the last one of the field events now, so we're just going to put some long jump information in. And again, we'll click on the event name, going from the front page, fetch start list. And again, I've pre-configured the event beforehand and put some parameters in. So after 4 rounds, the top 4 athletes will go through to round 5 and 6. So as you can see, there's no marks against any athlete at the moment. If you wanted to do them manually, then again, you click on details and you put the performance in there, win details, performance, win details, and so on. So we're not going to do that. We're just going to use the system of recording event by event, jump by jump, sorry. So we've got round 1. It tells us who's in there. So again, we click on, you can click anywhere on the line, click on record, and then this button comes up with the athlete's number, the athlete's name, the trial, the all round, the distance, the wind, which can be done automatically or manually, and this one is for failure. So if you want to delete the result or not put it through, click on a cross. If it's confirmed and correct, you can press enter or press the tick. So again, for this purpose, I'm just going to randomly put some performances in. And if we wanted to put the wind in, we can do that. Although we don't see the wind coming in at the moment, you'll see that when you got the final results and when we log out, because that's the public view, which shows all of the information that's on there. So I'm using my keyboard as well as using the mouse to input the data. So I'll get to the bottom one and then I'll pause and put the rest of the data in so it just looks as if we've jumped. Right, okay, so I've managed to put in 4 rounds of data now with wind speeds, and as you can see on the screen, it has basically changed everything around. I haven't done anything, it's automatically done it into the best performance to last performance, with the top 4 going through for the extra 2 jumps, and then the bottom 4 coming out of the competition. So we'll finish putting some time, the distances in. And then we'll see what the event looks like, because you can see the positions change as they're going through. So the person in first place is jumping 4th in this round. Let's put another time in. So if there's a negative wind, you need to put the negative number in, or the minus, but if it's a positive, just put the number in, and the system will automatically change it. So we'll give Win a failure on this one to see what happens. He's still in first place. So we'll go 6.23. So we'll put a fictitious distance in so that it changes the positions around. And you can see the positions automatically changing as soon as the performance goes in. So that's all of the information gone in for the 6 rounds. We'll click on finish. And I hope this doesn't delete any of the data, because it did previously when I tried it. So we'll click back on long jump, and then it gives us all of the performances with the 4 rounds, the best performances going through. So I'll click this and finalize it. I'll back out. And there you can see, this is what the public will see based on not being logged in, and each green box shows the best performance by each athlete. If you wanted to go into it by depth and watch it on a different format, you've got these options at the top here. These are all the trials from start to finish, with all the performances, all the wind readings and everything else. You've also got the graph reading, and it shows you a little video of how the event went as well. So it's by starting order doing that, so it'll stay in the same place. But if we want to show it how the positions went from first to last, click on animate and play. And this actually shows you how the jumps move around and how the athletes move around as well. I'll just leave this run, and you can see the blue bar is showing you how many jumps and how far through the competition you are. And you can actually watch this live at the event if need be. So the red marks are the ones with the no jumps. It gives you that information on the side, so you can actually watch this on your phone, on your tablet. It does fit to a phone screen. It just jumps from page to page, so you can it fits onto the page, so you can actually visually see it in motion. I'll just wait for it to come to the end. There we are, and that's all you finished, and that mirror images everything that we've just input on there. Anytime that anybody wants to have a little session of a trial on how to do it, then we can do this at any time before an event. We can do it as a group on a Zoom chat, or we can do it on a Teams. It's not a problem. It's quite easy to do, and once you've done it once or twice, all you are doing at the end of the day is putting data input into the card or into the PC or a tablet or your phone, because it can run on anything. Hope this explains doing the long jump and the high jump. And any questions, just come back to Zoe or myself, and we can fill you in with any other answers that you need. Okay.